Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark Garage. This episode, we're going to take the freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet motor down to my buddy Todd's and break it in on his engine run-in stand so we can put it in this 49 finally, almost a year after we started having issues with it. We're getting around to doing it. But I'll come along, take a look at how we break a motor in on the engine run-in stand so when the crappy cam and crappy lifters that are being produced now fail, you don't have a vehicle tore completely apart. The motor's not even out of this thing yet because it does still run. So I want to get this done first just as a precaution. So here we go. Some eye candy for you folks. Anyway, here we are 3 hours later. Good thing we didn't have the tape running for that. But we got her all mounted up. We ended up having to put an electric fuel pump on because of pulley issues and blah blah blah. This is a new Edelbrock setup. We had a lot of motor mount problems, so we're gonna prime it and then we're gonna stab that HEI in and hopefully we'll get this thing started and running, and we'll have you along for the ride. Stay tuned. I like the way you work, bro. I like the way you work, kid. All right, we're getting ready to rock on this thing. Got these nasty shorty headers. Ugly to look at. Mismatched plug wires. A little water dripping there. That'll be fine. We're going to get this thing broke in. Stand by.
Yeah, you felt it. I'm not saying it's not going to fire away, but you'll... Nice. I got that too tight. No. Okay. Kicking that in that. Let's double check these. 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7. Cool. Tomorrow, I think they have a rest day.
And absolutely no rush on it.
The oil will tell you when you want to
I'd much rather see it here
you
than
want to change it, and then run it again, make sure it isn't leaking. In there, if it is leaking, you just might look at it.
all that.
And that's the same way we surface and everything.
Yeah, yeah, they come there. Maybe there's a block all. So it should be good, you know,
It's straight.
maybe we should do that.
You change the oil. Just grab your oil, you dump oil, and then put the filter on. The little filter, that oil will fly, it's great. Chunks in there, it's great.
Well, we'll go on the oil too if we change it.
Well, sucks.
Well, then, some of that's the oil running right out of the freaking can.
Yeah.
You can put both in cans under there. All that shit.
All right, that's better. Here we are. Day number 4. Noisy fan. Day number 4, trying to get this motor broke in. We've had a lot of issues. We finally dropped the oil. Some valves that yours truly messed up. So we haven't got a real good long run on this. We've had a lot of short runs, but we were getting some firing back to the carburetor and stuff, so we started all over from around 0. And tonight we're gonna let her buck and see what happens. Hopefully we didn't damage the camshaft. Oil looks good-ish. All that tread that you're seeing down there is we had to put an electric water pump on so it would fit on the engine stand, and that isn't sealing up right. Plus we've had some overheating issues due to a thermostat that wasn't opening, and that took long enough to figure out, but also getting it to fit the way we wanted to on the stand was just a challenge. But all in all, it's still going to be okay, because if we have a problem with it, at least we're not doing it in the truck. So let's get her revved up, see what happens.
Well, we'll just fire it up, see what happens. I think this is it's on. Alright, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? This thing get turned on us? Good.
No, it's just splattering water.
Let's pick that out of there.
Yeah.
Drag it out.
Look, I'm getting pretty wet here. Which is okay, I get wet with small block Chevys. Bam!
Alright, you ready, boss?
think?
Would it pull the hose off?
Yes. That was hot.
I bet.
That was hot. Son of a buck.
Ants burn or you like burn?
God,
God damn it. Everything
professionally approved Crocs.
that can happen happens. This has been the only time that it went through this much excursions.
Nothing but problems.
This many excursions.
Man, that was hot. She popped right up. Boom! Between the bloop and the boom.
Well, there you go, everybody. Got her back to Club Land Shark. Now we just gotta figure out how to put it in there. Well, we got it figured out. We just got to put it in there. So, thanks for watching. Never forget, drive your shit. We'll see ya.